guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious and beautiful dish with only 5 items from the Dollar Tree. 5 items that I chose at the Dollar Tree for this challenge is a bottle of Kraft ranch, a box of Idaho potatoes, the winter blend frozen vegetables, and 2 pork loin riblets. First thing I'm going to do is to put my pork loin, wrap it in some aluminum foil and put it into my toaster oven. I chose the pork loins because it's already seasoned and I wouldn't have to buy any other seasons for the meat. Pork loins wrapped, I'm going to put this into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. The only ingredients that I'm using that I did not buy at the Dollar Tree is a little oil, some salt, and some pepper. To this pot I have 3 cups of water, and this is for my potatoes. I will turn this pot on to medium heat, and the instructions on the potatoes is to use butter and milk. But I did not get none of that at the Dollar Tree, so I will put about a half a cup of my ranch into the water. And this will be my substitute for my butter and my milk. Now I'm just going to mix my ranch up with my water, and I'm going to let this come to a boil. Pot with my water and ranch, I will add a little bit of freshly cracked pepper, and I will give that a mix. Now that my potato water is boiling, I will turn it off the heat. I am going to pour the entire content of the box into my boiling water. And I'm going to mix this. At this point, you want to add just a little bit more of your ranch into your potatoes, and this ranch potatoes will go perfect with the barbecue pork. For my vegetables, I have my wok, and I'm going to turn it on to a very low temperature and put about a tablespoon of oil in the bottom of my wok. Now that my wok is hot, I'm going to add my vegetables in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And I am just going to saute this for about 3 minutes. That the frozen vegetables has released all of their water, I will put my eye on a medium-high heat, and I will cook the vegetables for about 8 minutes. Now that most of our water has boiled out of our vegetables, it is time to plate. If you are on a tight budget, or if you're just trying to stretch your dollar, you should give your local Dollar Tree food a try. If you like budget videos like this, comment down below. and I will make more budget-friendly meals in the future. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.